my God. What? Get out of here. You look too good for me. Karina, I know God has created you specifically for me and has been preparing us both for this day when we get to become husband and wife. The love you share is such a pure and unconditional love, and you have brought me so much joy. I could not be more proud to be called your husband today. I vow to stand with you when life's burdens weigh you down and celebrate with you when life brings us joy. I vow to be the man of faith that you deserve. I vow to always be faithful. I vow to be your navigator, your protector, and your sidekick in all of life's adventures. And lastly, I vow to always unclog the drain, even though you're the only one with long hair. Karina, you are my best friend and the love of my life. I choose you now and forever.
Should've known it was you I would love until the end.
Jeff, these past years we've learned and grown by each other's side. We were both 16 and 17 years old, just trying to figure out how to date, to now where we're pledging to spend the rest of our lives together.
Oh my God. Oh my God. You look beautiful. Oh my God. What? Get out of here. You look too good for me. You look too good for me. You better find a net. Oh my God, dude. Let me see. Oh my God.
You look into my eyes.
You look beautiful. You're gonna make me cry. You're gonna make me cry.
When I turned
Oh
down
my God, you look beautiful. How do I look? Do I look good? Not as good as you.
and everything.
We have a whole future to look forward to, and for that I can't wait. I promise to always be your best friend, someone you can rely on, to be there for you whether it's a shoulder to cry on or me supporting your dreams. I am your biggest fan and will root for you always. I promise to be the best mother I can be to our future kids, as I know you'll be the best father. I vow to dedicate myself to your happiness, success, and smile. I cannot wait to face the many life adventures together. I will love you forever, Jeff.
The fact that you have all traveled here today, and I might add, stormed the weather, is a testament to the amazing amount of love and support they have. Many of you have given much happiness, warmth, and guidance through the various stages of their life.
I love your suit.
I want to get emotional.
From the first day I saw her, I knew we were going to be close. Since working there together, we have only grown closer and closer, from living together, having 3 different jobs together, and going on a number of trips together. And I couldn't thank her enough for the last 7 years of friendship that we've shared. Jeff, you're one lucky man, and I love you both so much.
Jeff and Karina got together, I knew they were going to be a good match because Karina has always been very sweet, calm, and she's always had her own way of going about life with elegance. They honestly balance each other out really well. They went through good times, bad times, but they always kept a true, deep respect for each other, and they honestly have an unbreakable bond, and I couldn't be happier for the both of you, and I couldn't be happier being right next to you, buddy.
Jeff, do you receive Karina as your lawfully wedded wife, that you will love, honor, and cherish as long as you both shall live?
I do. I got excited.
Karina, do you receive Jeff as your lawfully wedded husband, and do you of your own free will and choice solemnly promise, as his companion and lawfully wedded wife, that you will cleave unto him and none else, that you will love, honor, and cherish him as long as you both shall live? You may kiss the bride.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah,